Hey, it's Matthew, and this is the Hot Wheels 2019 RLC Selections Gasser. In the background are all the gassers they've made for 2020 so far. On the screen, you can see there's a picture of another gasser from the next Boulevard mix. This car has been picked by RLC members last year and has just been released. With this gasser, that means there's going to be 6 Chevy Bel Air gassers for 2020. You can always check out my video on all the gassers they have made through 2019 on this link above and in the description. So let's crack open this gasser and take a look at it. So on the card, you can see it has the car, then the flames coming out of the exhaust. And then this is just like the Candy Striper gasser card, just with the gold and then the white. And then I'll read to you guys what it says on the back on the turntable. So on this car, you can see it says Dirty Blonde, then Los Angeles, and some stickers right here, AGS, and the backlights, then more tampos, then the Goodyear tires, 427, and this is just another gasser. It does look cool with the gold and white, but we've seen so many gassers. On the back of the card it says, "The people have spoken and the results are in. Now it's time to meet the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser Year 2019 Selections car. It starts off special being the first HW vehicle to roll off the line in our newest color, Spectraflame Bright Yellow, which makes the matte white interior, chrome-plated chassis, and exposed silver engine really pop. The rubber that meets the road are Real Riders Pro Stock on the front and on the back. Real Riders, cheater slicks decoed with B&M, hooker headers, Valvoline, Goodyear, Mr. Gasket, and finally Dirty Blonde Los Angeles to put the final stamp on this custom collaboration." This Willys Gasser will be the next year's Selections car. Voting is still going on for the styling, so be sure to vote. Be sure to check out my video on last year's Selections cars. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what you think about this RLC Selections Gasser.